everyone, and welcome to yet another property review by the Bong Wanderers. Today we are going to review Taj Damdama Resort at Sonao. So we are going to talk about the property. We'll give you a tour around the property. You will also get to see a room tour, and we will end with our patent pros and cons. So stay tuned till the end of the vlog so that you can find out if Taj Damdama Resort is your place of stay if you are planning for a trip to Gurgaon or Delhi. Taj Damdama is a 20-acre 5-star pet-friendly luxury resort in the lap of Aravalli Hills. You will find this property off Sona Gurgaon Road, and it's 30 minutes drive from Gurgaon and 2 hours from Delhi. It has close to 143 rooms, different types of rooms, almost 4 to 5 huge lawns, lots of facilities and amenities, which we are going to cover in our next segment. But before we talk about the property, let me tell you about our channel.
पेशे से कॉर्पोरेट मजदूर जो मौका मिलते ही निकल पड़ते हैं रोड ट्रिप पे दूर दूर। पेटी भर सामान और गूगल मैप्स पे अगली मंजिल का नाम डाले हुए हम 5 चल देते हैं सपनों की दुनिया में। नई जगह, नई लोग, भिन्न प्रकार की लोकल डिशेस और अपनी इस महान देश को कैमरा में कैद करने की आस में हजारों मील ऐसे ही चल पड़ते हैं। ड्राइवर साहब सम्राट, स्पॉटर चंद्रिमा, डीजे आहान और चीयरलीडर एंजल को अपनी गोद में संभाले हुए मोटू पहाड़, समुंदर, रेगिस्तान और जंगलों में खूब धमाल मचाते हैं। कोविड के टाइम से मजबूरन शुरू हुआ अपनी रोड ट्रिप्स के सिलसिले पता नहीं कब अपना एकमात्र ट्रैवल मोड बन गई। 17 इंडियन स्टेट्स और 1 लाख किलोमीटर के सफर का तजुर्बा लिए हुए हम है आपका प्रिय द बोंग वॉन्डरर्स। अपनी 1,30,000 मेंबर वाली बड़ी फैमिली को हम घुमाते हैं देश की हर कोना, एक अलग अंदाज में, और इस चक्कर में हम विशेष ध्यान देते हैं 3 चीजों के ऊपर। नंबर 1, पेट फ्रेंडली रोड ट्रिप्स। हम बताते हैं आपको कौन सी रास्ता, उसकी कंडीशंस, पिट स्टॉप्स, फूड एंड वॉशरूम ब्रेक्स, कितना टाइम लगेगा, रोड ट्रिप्स के नुस्खे, और अगर आपके पास पेट हो तो उसको भी आप कैसे लेके चलोगे, कहाँ रखोगे और कैसे प्लान करोगे। आखिर आपका पेट भी तो आपके फैमिली का मेंबर ही है। नंबर 2, रोड सेफ्टी। अपने देश की रास्ते इंप्रूव तो बहुत किया है, पर हम उसमें गाड़ी चलाने लायक काबिल भी हैं। हम हाईलाइट करते हैं रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस, सेफ्टी टिप्स, और जी तोड़ कोशिश करते हैं कि हाईवेज पे ट्रैवल करने वाले हर इंसान को हम जागरूक कर सके ताकि एक्सीडेंट्स कम हो, जाने कम जाए। फाइनली नंबर 3, मेंटल हेल्थ। वी स्ट्रांगली बिलीव दैट रोड ट्रिप्स हील, एटलीस्ट हमको तो करते हैं। रोज की स्ट्रेस, काम की कभी कभी बेकार की टेंशन्स इन्हीं रोड ट्रिप्स इलाज कर जाती हैं। तो अगर आप अपने ही मन में सफर, SUFFER वाली सफर कर रहे हो तो घूमो, लोगों से बात करो, नई जगह डिस्कवर करो बिफोर इट्स टू लेट। हाल ही में मैम ने एक नई अध्याय चालू की है इंस्टाग्राम पे, H2H बातें या हार्ट टू हार्ट बातें। इस चैनल पे हम बात करते हैं वुमेन इश्यूज एंड अपलिफ्टमेंट के ऊपर। इंडिया की कोने कोने में घूमते हुए हम डिस्कवर किया कि आज भी 2025 में हमारी समाज ने लड़कों और लड़की के बीच में जमीन आसमान की फर्क किए बैठा है। वो फीमेल फीटिसाइड हो, लिंगानुपात हो, डिस्पैरिटी इन पे हो, मैरिज में एक्सपेक्टेशन हो या उसकी कैरियर एस्पिरेशंस ही हो, हर जगह मानो लड़की को रोज अग्नि परीक्षा देनी पड़ती है। ज्यादा दूर नहीं, ढूंढो तो अपनी पड़ोस में ही मिल जाएगा, या शायद अपनी ही घर में। तो इस चैनल पे हमारी यही कोशिश रहती है कि हम समाज को थोड़ा और बेहतर बनाएं, थोड़ा और समझदार बनाएं, ताकि आज के लड़के जब कल बड़ा हो जाए तो लड़की को खाली सम्मान ही नहीं, अपने समान भी माने। इक्वलिटी मतलब समानता तभी ना होगी। तो चलिए, इस बात पे अगर हमारी वीडियोस आपको छू जाए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट में बताएं आपकी राय, सजेशंस और एनी क्वेश्चंस यू माइट हैव। वीडियोस को लाइक करें और शेयर करें, क्या पता एक और इंसान को हम प्रेरित कर सके रोड ट्रिप करने में, या आत्मविश्वास से अपनी सपनों को सच करने की राह पे चलने में। अब चलते हैं वीडियो में वापस।
That's your main gate, and this is the parking area of this property. And That's your entrance. Now let me take you to the reception. The reception of the property. That's the entrance. Those are the check-in counters. Lobby area. And this way leads to the rooms. आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम सलीम खान है
सलीम खान
जी। मैं
और कहाँ से हो आप?
मैं राजस्थान बाड़मेर से।
बाड़मेर से? अरे मेरा दोस्त बाड़मेर से है, उसका नाम है हरीश।
अच्छा।
हाँ।
तो मैं एक राजस्थानी सॉन्ग गा रहा हूँ।
बढ़िया।
और चंद्रमा जी के लिए, आपके लिए सॉन्ग गा रहा हूँ राजस्थानी।
क्या बात।
ओ चंद्रमा जी वैसा लागे का गहना, अरे वैसा पुठेरा गहना, वैसा प्यारा गहना, वैसा लौटाया मते। ओ चंद्रमा जी तो प्यारा गहना, वैसा पुठेरा गहना, वैसा लौटाया मते, वैसा पुठेरा गहना।
Now let me take you to the restaurants of the property. Aka, the soul of the property. First one, Shamiana, their all-day multi-cuisine dining restaurant, giving you a good view of this place. I am filming it in the afternoon so that it is not that crowded. Otherwise, over the weekends, it's extremely crowded. Difficult to even get a seat for yourself at the peak hours. Second restaurant of the property, Javatra. It's an Indian cuisine. Let me take you inside. So this is their Indian cuisine. This is operational only in the evening. As you can see, they have limited seats over here or limited sitting arrangements. Hence, if you wish to have dinner at this one, you are supposed to reserve a table in advance. They also have an in-house pub, goes by the name Vix. Let me get you inside. So this is their in-house pub, Vix. Banquet hall of this property goes by the name Barkat Hall, with another huge banquet space inside behind this locked door. तो हमारे साथ है ब्रिजेश. He has been kind enough to take us in and around the property. So ब्रिजेश, आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं पलवल से हूँ।
Okay. और आप इस प्रॉपर्टी में कब से हो?
मेरे को 8 महीने हो गए, 7 महीने।
8 months.
जी 8 months।
और आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है इस प्रॉपर्टी में?
मैम प्रॉपर्टी में जैसे कि अपना अशोका लॉन है, एडवेंचर एक्टिविटी एरिया है, प्लेंस पूल प्राइवेट विलाज हैं, स्विमिंग पूल है अपना, और अपना ओल्ड विलाज हैं और न्यू ब्लॉक है, सब अच्छा ही है।
प्रॉपर्टी में जो भी है आपको अच्छा लगता है?
अच्छा।
और यहाँ के जो गेस्ट हैं वो मेनली कहाँ से आते हैं? दिल्ली से आते हैं?
दिल्ली से आते हैं, नोएडा से आते हैं,
अच्छा,
गुड़गांव से आते हैं और फरीदाबाद से भी आते हैं।
अच्छा
जी।
और कौन से टाइम पे सबसे ज्यादा आपको क्राउड दिखती है?
मैम क्राउड जैसे बारिश होती है, ठंडा मौसम होता है तो अच्छा लगता है। यहाँ पे अच्छा मौसम हो जाता है तो और ज्यादा रश बन जाता है, तो यही है।
थैंक यू ब्रिजेश।
थैंक यू।
So we have now come to check out their fitness center. Let's go up. So that's the in-house gym. Let's take you inside. In-house gym of this property, guys. Pretty spacious, ample amenities. Right now, I am in a room which is every parent's dream come true and the most fun area for every child. Yes, I am in their indoor activity room and it comes with a table tennis, snooker board and also a library. Some of the books you would find in their shelves and the obvious ones on the Tata Legacy. A carom board, ample seating arrangements. Right now, what you see on your screen is the most cutest place of this property, the kids' play area. I'm not getting inside and disturbing the little ones in their sweet little things, but just giving you a very close view in case you do come here with your little ones. This is the heaven you will be looking for. What you see over here is the wellness circle of the property. Let me take you inside. So that is the reception area of the wellness center. So you have the massage rooms over here with a beautiful pool in view. This property in total has 4 lawns. Right now what you see on your screen is the Ashoka lawn. It's just one of the 4 lawns. It extends from here till here. These lawns are usually rented out for weddings and other events. So this is the cricket and football ground of the property. Comes alive in the evenings. That's the amphitheater. This is the badminton court and pickleball court of the property. So ये जो एरिया है यहाँ पे शाम को they have high tea, comes alive in the evening, very vibrant place with people bustling around. We are right now at their adventure park, as they call it. They have lots and lots of activities over here. Again, a pretty vibrant place in the evening. So हम इनसे पूछने वाले हैं कि what are the adventure activities that are available over here. आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम सुभाष है मैम।
और आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं उत्तराखंड से बिलोंग करता हूँ।
ओके।
इसमें आपके पास इसमें स्काई साइकिलिंग हो जाएगी, जो कि ये है, ठीक है।
हाँ।
और दूसरा इसमें जिप लाइन है, गो स्विंग है, ठीक है। और दूसरा आपके पास ये है हाई रोप कोर्स। इसमें आपके पास ये हाई रोप कोर्स, इसके जो जस्ट बगल में है,
हाँ।
वो एडवांस रोप कोर्स है,
ओके,
ठीक है। और इसमें आपका ये है हैंगिंग ब्रिज।
अच्छा।
और आपकी गन शूटिंग हो गई, आर्चरी हो गई,
गन शूटिंग है, आर्चरी है, ओके।
और पेंट बॉल शूटिंग है हमारे पास।
पेंट बॉल शूटिंग,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
अच्छा, यही है एक्टिविटीज। अरे बढ़िया, थैंक यू। एंड दिस इज देयर outdoor kids play area, which is just next to the adventure park. So this is basically the repository of all the instruments that would be used over here. They have football, basketball, cricket bat, badminton racket, pickleball bats, everything available over here. Bas, just leave your kids over here and they are sorted for a good 1 hour. A property which is spread out over 23 acres. The golf carts, aka buggies, are the lifelines of this property. This property has huge walking tracks. You can do walking, cycling, taking a stroll after dinner. That's something amazing that this property has. This is their new building, as they call it, which has their standard rooms. That's an outside view of their standard rooms. Now, let me start by giving you the room tour. So, that's the door. This is the entry point. You get a small corridor, cozy corridor. On my left, you have 2 cupboards, basically your storage space. 1 luggage rack. Just below the rack, you have the shoe racks. Now, to my right, you have the washroom and a full-length mirror, right? I also want to show you something. Love the painting over here. So, this is the bedroom space. Obviously, it comes with a bed. You would get 2 bedside tables and 2 mirrors tacked to those tables. That's something I like. And then at the backdrop, you also get to see a lovely painting. Alright, now let me pan the camera towards the opposite side of the bed where you can find a television and a television rack. Again, a bit of a storage space. If you move a little bit towards the right of the television, what you get is, you get the coffee station. You get the coffee station, and I don't want to disturb Angel. So below the coffee station, it's the mini bar, but you don't have anything, right? It's a pantry and a mini bar, but you don't have anything. Now above the coffee station, you also have one more storage space, right? Now let me take you to the sitting segment of this room. Now this is pretty much the sitting space of this room. It comes with a two-seater sofa, a coffee table, and right opposite to that you get a study table, pretty decent one, and a chair. You also get a balcony with this room. So while you enjoy this lovely painting at the backdrop, let me tell you a thing or two about this room, right? So it's a decent room, but for a family of 3 with a dog, this might not be the room for you because of the space that it offers. It's not a huge space, and particularly a family like us going for a long trip with multiple suitcases, this probably falls a tad bit short. So we would recommend you to opt for bigger rooms in this property. We would let you know the options that you have in our pros and cons. So now let's give you a quick view of the washroom. Nothing special, a small cozy washroom with the usual necessities, but definitely a very, very small one. And that's the villa we are staying in. So we are at the ground floor. Let's go inside. So that's our room, and then if you come out, it extends to this lawn. There is a swing. There are multiple swings actually spread throughout the property, and then you have a lawn. So that's the balcony of our room. It comes with 2 chairs and a small coffee table. We have actually taken the chairs inside, which is why you see a lonely table out there. Pretty airy, spacious. We could have been happier if they would have put a fence around it so that we could have left Angel also in the balcony, which we can't because it doesn't come with a fence. Room tour part 2. So now we are going to give you a tour of a luxury villa room. The earlier one was that of a standard room. Now we ran into multiple issues with that room last night. So tonight we are being shifted into a new room. Now let's start with the entry. So that's the door, right? And the door directly leads to the living space of the room, which comes with a 2-seater sofa, a small sitting chair, and a coffee table. And across that space, you can see quite a lot of space to play around, to relax, and ample space to keep your luggages if you want, right? So that's pretty much the living space. I would say it's pretty spacious as compared to what we have seen in the standard room. Now let me take you to the bedroom area. Now what you see right now is the bedroom space, right? I mean the space where you have the bed. So you have a bigger bed in this room is what we think, right? So you get a bed, you get 2 bedside tables, and then across the bed there's a TV. Below the TV you get a spacious rack to keep your luggages. And then below that rack, you have multiple shelves, again, to keep your luggages. Next to this rack, you actually get a pantry area, right? Where you have the mini bar, you have excess glasses, and you have the coffee station and the pantry. right? Now, if I step a little back, then what I get is the study table, again right across the bed. I get a pretty decent study table and a chair. Now, look at the space between the bed and all these. There is still ample space to walk around and to move, which was missing in the earlier room, though that was not the reason why we moved. But that pretty much what you would get in the bedroom space. Now come on in. Let me show you the washroom space. So this is pretty spacious washroom. I mean 10 times more than what we experienced, because I mean the last washroom was just a small cabin is the max that I can see, right? So this one is spacious. It again offers you space to keep your luggages. So you have a huge suitcase rack. You have again shoe racks below the suitcase racks, right? Long mirror, right? A full wall length mirror. And then across the suitcase rack, you get the usual stuff, right? That one would expect in a washroom, a separate bathing area. But the important thing over here is the space. So, if I have to summarize the room tour for you, this room tour, I would say for a family like us, 3 people and a dog and multiple suitcases, and if you're on a long tour, this is the kind of room that you should opt for, or similar rooms like this. So when you call up the property, make sure that you are given these kind of rooms. They call them villas. I wouldn't say they are villas, but anyway, so they call these kind of rooms as villas. Opt for these kind of rooms because it gives you ample space to move around, walk around, even after keeping your luggages. We will also be working here, so space is something that was of utmost importance. That's pretty much about the room tour. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Number 1, obviously, it's a pet-friendly 5-star property. That's the biggest pros for pet parents like us. You have a pet and you have a beautiful property to stay. What else you need? Number 2, its location. It's off Sona Gurgaon Road. So if you are using Gurgaon as one of your pit stop from going, and you are going to somewhere else, it's just one of your pit stop, then you can easily stay here, because then you need not have to navigate the busy roads of Gurgaon. Number 3, this property is loaded with lots of activities for the kids, whether it is indoor or outdoor, mostly outdoor. So if you are planning a small getaway over here, your kids are well sorted, because that's something we parents always worry about, how to engage our kids in vacation when we are not doing any sightseeing or not going anywhere. So in that way, this is a great property to stay at. In terms of pet-friendly meter, we will give them 4, because we found the staff moderately friendly, not fully friendly, so they need to be trained. We also found the pet charges expensive, and we also did not see the usual amenities that we usually see that the pet-friendly hotels usually provide to pets when they check in. Now let's talk about the cons. Number 1. The staff at the reception, we found them extremely cold and transactional. Number 2, we found the rooms very unplanned. The standard rooms do not offer adequate space for a family of 3, and definitely not a choice for a family like us. As well as the garden villas, very unplanned. The door directly opens and you would see the bed right in front of you. Usually you would prefer to have a foyer between the door and the bedroom, which was something that was missing in the garden villas. Number 3, obviously extremely expensive. Call it the stay, call it the food, call it the pet charges. This is a pretty expensive property. This property gets extremely crowded during weekend, and it becomes extremely crowded. You can hardly find a seat during breakfast and dinners. The staff literally struggle to offer the services that they need to. whether it is at the restaurants, whether it is in the rooms. If you are asking for certain things to be delivered, expect lags, expect delays, expect staff to forget things. If you can endure all of that, then you can come here and stay. But if you are like one of us who prefers peace and tranquility, this was one of the reasons why we chose this property, because we thought it is away from Gurgaon and the hustle and bustle of the city. But unfortunately, the weekend took us back to the epicenter of a city noise and a city chaos, something we did not enjoy while staying at the property. That's all from us. That's a wrap. Do let us know if this property review helped you to make your decision. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in our property reviews. Until next time, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.